In just 60 seconds, I'm going to tell you about EcoCare and how it changes the game for electrical asset management. With trends like AI and electrification disrupting the industry, managing electrical assets the traditional way exposes your business to serious risks. It's time to shift to a proactive asset management approach from day one of your equipment. EcoCare helps improve business continuity and optimizes the total cost of ownership of everything from UPSs and cooling to LV and MV equipment and power management. It significantly reduces electrical failure risk, on-site interventions, and planned downtime costs with a condition-based maintenance approach. Your assets are kept in peak condition thanks to 24/7 remote monitoring and alarm management, powered by advanced analytics and AI. As a member, you get exclusive and faster support from our expert services team, both on-site and remote. And a customer success manager works with you to co-create a tailored success plan. Join industry leaders like Nestle, who avoided 5 costly stoppages over 4 years while optimizing their maintenance cycles. Shift to proactive asset management with a trusted services partner with EcoCare.